What's the meaning of colloquial? Colloquial. Colloquial.
Colloquial. Colloquial. Colloquial refers to the use of informal language in everyday conversation. It is characterized by its familiarity, simplicity, and directness. Colloquial language may include slang, regional expressions, and idiomatic phrases that are not typically found in formal writing or speech. The use of colloquial language can help create a sense of connection and understanding between speakers, but it may also be inappropriate or unclear in certain contexts. Understanding and effectively using colloquial language can aid in effective communication, particularly in social situations.